Hey everyone! Welcome back to Maddie's Creative Corner. It's so good to have you here. Today's video is super exciting because this is my very first Shein nail art haul. As you can see, I grabbed a lot of things and I'm super excited to go through everything and unbox everything with you. So without further ado, let's see everything that I got. So first of all, I got these cute little 3D roses. I actually got a lot of 3D charms because I have so many ideas and I just needed a lot of them. As you can see, they're super cute. Then I got this little box which is full of colorful pastel shade bears. They're so pretty and they're pretty chunky as well. As you can see, they're super reflective and cute. I actually opened these upside down first and they fell all over my desk. Next up, I got this set of gorgeous emerald green rhinestones. I didn't have anything like this, so I'm super excited to have these. Then I got these little, I think they're called carousels of caviar beads in silver color. Following that, I got these cute little heart charms which are leopard print, and I didn't have anything like this, so I was super excited to give this a try. They're so cute. Lately, I've had such an obsession with 3D molds. I got so many of them, so I'm gonna make a whole video just on these. And it's super cute. This is a butterfly shaped one. I also got this little box with these gorgeous reflective flakes. They're so pretty. And my obsession with tiny teddy bears continues because I also got these adorable little ones. They're smaller than the other ones, but they're also super reflective and they come in so many different colors. I just love them so much. Then I picked up these reflective circular sequins. I really like these. I saw a lot of people use them on Instagram. And I also saw these letters, which people usually use for resin, but I definitely want to use them for some nail art video. Then I just had to grab these gummy bear charms. I saw Evie from Long Hair Pretty Nails use these in a video in the past and I became obsessed with them. I just needed them. Along with these, I also got these cute little reflective rose charms. They're so cute. I also got some of these adorable little lollipop charms. These are so chunky and so cute. I love them. Then I also grabbed these jelly type charms which look like they would be squishy, but they're actually not, they're hard. And my favorite thing from this haul is this rhinestone box. This was only €5. This is such a steal. Go get this for yourself. And I also got some nails and some nail forms. These are just some shorts that I wanted for press on nails. I also got these duo forms which are super funky. They're like this Russian style manicure and I'm dying to try them. And I also got some extra long nail tips which I've been really wanting to try. So we're gonna use this in today's video. So one more thing that I needed was some rings for when I'm taking pictures of my nails. So here is the one set that I got, and I also got another set of rings, and these were like super cheap and they look really pretty. So this was everything that I got in this haul, and let's just start the nail art right away. So for today's look, I'm going to be using these two gorgeous polygels by Makartt. The one is Le Coral, I keep butchering this name, it's okay. And the other one is called Diamond Dust. You might have seen this in a previous video as well. They're super pretty, and I will leave a link to everything in the description down below. So I will be using the extra large tips that you saw previously. I went ahead and I added a layer of base coat to all of my nails first, and I decided to try using solid tips glue to put these on. So I just scooped some with the tip, pressed it onto my nail, and then just flattened out the remaining, or like pressed it onto the nail, and they went on really well. So if you don't have glue and you have the solid tips nail glue, you can go ahead and use this hack. I found it really useful and I might make another video on this because this was really such a cool idea. So after everything is cured, I'm going to go ahead and take the nude pink polygel and just apply a good amount of that to the first like third of my nail. I'm going to shape this nail perfectly, and then I'm going to start extending the polygel upwards towards the nail. I am not looking to make it super bulky because I am going to also add some of the diamond dust polygel at the ending of the nail and kind of create a small type of ombre. Not exactly, but it's gonna look cute together, you're gonna see. And I also didn't cure the polygel, the nude polygel that I layered first. I just wanted them to kind of blend together without it looking too, weird. So I just went ahead and did that. For my ring finger, I decided to just cover the entire nail with the diamond dust polygel. And I really love this polygel. This lighting does not do it justice. If you see it in real life and under like more intense lighting, it has a hollow glitter inside, which makes it just so reflective and so pretty. It's just such an eye-catching polygel. I absolutely love it. Then for my middle finger, I decided to like replicate the same design that I made on the pinky, and I really like how this ombre type look with the glitter turned out. It's really pretty. For my pointer finger, I also decided to cover it in the diamond dust polygel and just make it like a full cover look. And finally, for my thumb, I also replicated the same design that I did on my pinky and middle finger. And then I started filing them, and let me tell you, this was a workout. It took forever to file them. I am not used to filing such long nails, and I did this all by hand. For some reason I didn't use my drill, which is a bad idea. But this is what they ended up looking like. I think they came out really good. And then I went ahead and I applied a layer of base coat to all of the nails to make sure that whatever I put on top of them will adhere properly. And now I decided to use some of these reflective flakes that I got. I actually thought that this would be a little harder as a material, but actually they kind of melt onto the nail. They kind of remind me like a combination between foil and those gold flakes. I think they're closer to like the gold flakes, but they're even softer than that. They just melt into the nail and they look super reflective and really pretty. So yeah, these were definitely a bargain. They were like €3.50, I think. So definitely go ahead and get those. And then I decided to go ahead and use my Vetsy liner gel in white and just create some cloud-like designs. You will see these look a lot like bridal nails, and I think that they really match this whole theme very well with the white flowers that we'll put on. So in order to put those on, I used my Vanillisa nail glue and some top coat, and then I went ahead and I picked out all the cute little flowers that I got. And these are so nicely shaped. If you can see the edges of them, they have like a more reflective design on them. It's almost like they have a reflective powder on the sides, and they look so pretty. And I paired those with some of those pink reflective rhinestones from the huge rhinestone kit and some silver caviar beads to just add a little bit of a smaller touch here and there. And I just went ahead and I repeated the same design on all of the nails that had the ombre with the glittery polygel, and I really liked how this turned out. I think that while these are chunkier charms, they just blend in with the look so well and they make it look super pretty. So yeah, I really wanted to experiment with more chunky charms, so I think this is a great opportunity to start using these more. And if you like them, let me know, and I'm gonna make more videos with chunky charms. It's a mouthful to say chunky charms all the time. And for the two remaining nails, I didn't want to leave them plain. I was thinking of maybe doing a French manicure on them, but then I decided to repeat those same cloud-like lines that I created on the other nails. And then I had the idea to make like small vertical lines in between them. So you can see here I'm just dragging the polish from the line downwards towards the nail. And for this nail I'm going to be making those lines outside of the design, and for the ring finger I made it inside the lines of the design. So I thought that looked super cute and elegant, and yeah, these are definitely some bridal style nails, so I hope you like them. Then to finish off the look, I applied a layer of top coat to all of the nails to make sure that they're super shiny. And of course, we can't forget the cuticle oil to nourish our cuticles. And here is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I absolutely love the selection on Shein for nail art stuff. I have made another order and it just arrived today actually, so I'm gonna be making another video next week, which is so exciting. I have so many things to play with. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like and a comment telling me what you thought, and subscribe for more videos every single week. I've been putting so much effort into uploading almost daily at this point, and I hope you're enjoying it every upload that I make. Before I close this off, I wanted to show you what the reflective polygel looks like under the flashlight, and it's so pretty. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!